broken from a young age, taking my soul to the masses, writing my poems for the few that look to me, something they used to me, feeling me singing for morning through the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the pain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me, oh, you made me a believer, believer. You bring me down, you made me a believer, believer. I let the bullets fly, I let the rain. My life, my love, my time I gave up. You made me, oh, you made me a believer, believer. From the distance and a prayer to the one up above. All the hate that you've heard, stand your spirit to adore. Your spirit up above. I was choking in the crowd, living my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever living and flowing, inhibited, limited till it broke open. It rained down like.